So today we are going to make the ultimate Cobb salad, and we have here with us the salt, pepper, shallots, bay leaf, thyme, Dijon mustard, diced tomato, blue cheese, boiled egg, bacon, chicken, and avocado. And in the lettuce we have iceberg and romaine. So let's go up and we'll start with the bacon first. I have already done the bacon, so you can either do it on a pan or roast it in the oven, whichever is convenient enough for you. Drain the excess oil and then let it cool a little. Then we can chop it into medium dice so we can add it to our salad later on. So I'll keep it in a bowl for now until we finish the rest of the ingredients. Next up we have our boiled eggs. I've already taken the liberty to boil it up, so you can boil it in a pan or however you like. If there's any other way, please let me know. I'd be happy to share it with you. So we have then cooled it down and we are chopping it into medium dices so it's easy to consume. I'll just go ahead and keep them in a bowl again so we can prep all of the ingredients and then we can move on to the whisk. So here we are starting with the chicken. So I've added a little water, peppercorn, thyme, bay leaf into a pot. We'll add the chicken breast into the pot. Then we'll need a little bit of lemon zest. That's enough, and a little bit of lemon juice so we get the complete flavor. That's much more like it. Okay, so we can add it to the stove so it cooks. Meanwhile we'll make our emulsion. So I've taken apple cider vinegar, shallots, and Dijon mustard, and we are going to whisk it while adding a little bit of olive oil to it at the same time. As you'll see, it's really difficult for me to maintain both of it together because the bowl moves, the olive oil has to fall in little by little, and I have to whisk at the same time. So please excuse my unplanned events. So I've only mixed the iceberg lettuce and the romaine lettuce right now for time being, since I've made it for plating purpose. If you're making it at home, feel free to mix all of the ingredients together and serve it in a bowl. So here we are plating just the iceberg and the romaine lettuce for right now. Then we'll add in the bacon. If you do not eat bacon, that's fine. Then we'll add the tomatoes and the chicken into the bowl and mix it with the vinaigrette so it is completely drenched in it, and we'll get the flavor of it all. So this is how it looks like: the chicken, the bacon, the egg, the avocado diced. This is the ultimate Cobb salad, and thank you for watching with us.